Hello guys, and hope doing well. Here is my anti-solder tablet like this to desolder the sensitive CPUs like this. The anti-solder tablets were too much because of it is like melted solder. As you can see, I'm going to cut it with a knife or with something like this, a little bit like this, and put this into the CPU pins like this one, very gently. So this anti-solder tablet is usually using for the sensitive CPUs, not for the normal one because it is a little bit expensive. But after the solder the CPU, no need to any high temperature tip connection with the solder iron and the sensitive CPU that you have. So for the normal CPUs, this is not good solution. Like this, it's good enough to cover all the pins one by one, like this, and a little bit tip solder is good enough to melt the anti-solder tablet like this. Don't forget the all pins need to have this anti-solder tablet like this. Very low temperature is good enough. Don't scare for the pins connections. This anti-solder will remove very easy, as you can see. You need special temperature to remove these super sensitive CPU like this. Easily take them. Don't be worried for these solders here. It is not solder, it easily will clean, as you can see, very easy. As you can see, no need any temperature. It will easily clean. Even no need to solder weak. Like this, and one or two more time you can use this anti-solder. As you can see, really this is like first thing without any weak foyer. And even the CPU also the same. Easily with the tweezer will be remove the anti-solder. Very nice. This is the anti-solder tablet. It's good enough for the sensitive CPUs, and easily will remove the CPU or GPUs and expensive sensitive ICs. And the last thing, as the document said, this is toxic formulation and should have the glues or take the eyes and the skin for as this anti-solder tablet. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.